Well, if it isn't the Magic Keyboard from Apple. What's up, Stuff Zone family? We'll talk about this for a little bit. It's pretty sleek. Low to the ground. And I got it because I recently purchased a Mac Studio. And for the longest time, I've just been using the laptop, which obviously has the keyboard built in. So I needed to buy a keyboard to use with the Mac Studio, which is just a kind of like the new, bigger version of the Cube. Okay. Comes in this awesome box, like all Apple products. Love Apple. Been rocking with them since day one. And this cost 99 bucks at the Apple Store. And there's no batteries. It actually charges through, I'm not sure if that's the Lightning or the Thunder, but whatever port that is, it charges. And the charge lasts for months. Like I haven't charged this in a very, very long time. Over here you can see that there's power button. It goes green, there's off, and then it goes to green when you turn it on. And in order to pair it, you're just gonna have to turn it off and then turn it back on once it's charged up. And then your device should find it. It should just kind of pop up on the screen, say Magic Keyboard. You can rename it if you want, but that's how to connect it. I'm not sure if it will pair while it's charging. Come to think of it, because I actually sold the Mac Studio, I wasn't feeling it. I got a Mac Air with the new M2, which I'm freaking loving. Might do a video on that later. But when I had this, on my desk, it was never plugged in when I used it. I just plugged it like overnight to charge, and then for the whole rest of the time that it existed, it was always unplugged, because I didn't want to have to use up a USB slot to always charge it. What's the point? It doesn't need to be charged perpetually like that. All right, so feel free to just rock with it wireless the way that it was intended. I know that when it's not plugged in, as long as you flip the switch on and off, maybe, once or twice, it will be detected by your device. That's pretty much it. Love the look, love the feel. We're getting really, really thin and narrow, but it's all good. All right, so if you watched this video so far, or this much, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, check out some more ish. See you in the next ones.